Want to log into the Google Gemini app on your iPhone? Here's the simple step-by-step process. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, open the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, you may directly enter the home screen if you already have an account login. But if you are not logged in, you will see the login screen. Just follow the steps shown on your screen. Here, tap on Login with Google. Now select the Google account you want to use. If you already have multiple accounts saved on your phone, just choose the correct one from the list. After that, tap on Continue or Allow when prompted. Now wait a few seconds while the app verifies your account and logs you in. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the main Gemini home screen, where you can start using all the AI features. If it asks for additional permissions, just allow them to continue. And yeah, that's it. You are now successfully logged into Google Gemini on your iPhone. If the screen looks different on your device, it may depend on your iOS or app version, but the steps are generally the same. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and AI app tutorials.